Took a loss, that's your loss. Had to get my point across.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Coogan here from Market Aspects, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the best way to assign your risk management to your trading. So first off, let's say we are going to enter this trade, which I did, and I actually called this out on my free Telegram chat. You can go check that out in the description below. But let's say you are going to enter this trade up here and you are going to go long. So you set where you think that you set your stop loss, which shouldn't be that big. So basically how this works is this number right here. You can't really see it, but because of this, but this number right here, it shows your risk to reward ratio. So let's say you're risking 1% of a $100,000 account, that is $1,000. So if this hits the top of your take profit, that means you should have gained $2,000 if you were risking 1% of your account on a $100,000 account. Same goes for a $10,000 account, you'd be gaining $200. And it goes up from there, blah, blah, blah. So you want to keep that to at least a 2-to-1. That's what I recommend. I mean, a lot of people trade differently, but that is how I trade. If not, I go bigger, but I will never go below a 1-to-2 risk reward. It also depends on your stop loss. And if your stop loss is down here, that is going to be a 1-to-1. So you want to keep your stops pretty tight. And so that's basically that. I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, it just depends. Same with going short. The stop loss would be up here, and then your take profit would be down here. So for the next part, I'm going to show you how to calculate your pips for your lot size, so you're only risking a certain amount of your account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to my FX book, Forex Calculators position size, and then this is the gold, but I will put this in the description below as well. So basically what you do is you're going to pick your pair. So this is CJ, so CHF, JPY, account currency, depending on what you do, where you live, and then account size, so 100,000, risk to reward ratio, 1%, and remember to only risk 2% of your account and stay consistent with that, because if you don't, you're going to blow your account. So in this one, I'm going to be doing 1%. And then stop loss pips, that is going to be this number right here. So 44.3. So you enter that in. And then contract size, you don't have to pay attention to. It does it automatically. And then calculate. And this is what you would set your lot size to. I usually round up 1 just because that's what I do. But I usually round up 1. Not like 1.0, but I round up this number. I don't know if that's the 10th, sorry. But yeah. And then when you're on MetaTrader 4, you enter your take profit, which it would be up here, 118.176, and then your stop loss is going to be down here, is 116.853. And then if the trade does stop you out, you'll only be risking 1% of your account. And if it does end up hitting your take profit margin, you'll be gaining 2-to-1. So depending on your account size, depending on how much you risk, you will be gaining X amount. And it should always be more than you're risking. You should never be, your stop loss should never be more than your take profit. Never, yeah. Because at that point, consistency just dies. Because the whole point of this is staying profitable, and you can't stay profitable when you're at least swing trading. I mean, if you're scalping, you don't really need a position size calculator, but when you're scalping and day trading and holding trades for a long amount of time and you want to go do stuff, like I usually just set my trades, I'll go do my day, and then I'll come back and it either hits my stop loss or take profit, and then I just move on with my day. If I lose the trade, oh well, I'll gain the next one and I'll gain 2 times what I lost. So that's how I take it in. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys learned a little on risk management, and maybe you learned the position size calculator if you didn't already know. And I will see you guys in the next one.